Can I tell you about one of my very favorite treatments that almost nobody's talking about, but I wish more people did? Because if you've ever looked at your neck, your chest, your hands, or even above your knees and thought, why is my skin getting crepey? Ugh, this might be one of the most exciting treatments in aesthetics. So if you don't know me, my name's Brandy. I'm the founder of Wake Up Beautiful, and I just like to think of myself as your in-the-know girlfriend that's going to tell you the things that really work and the things that don't. So one of the biggest trends in aesthetics right now isn't actually filler or tox. It's biostimulation. Now, if you've watched any of my videos before, you know I absolutely love biostimulation. I'm always talking about it in all different forms because this is how we keep our skin plump and rejuvenated and how we stimulate our bodies to rebuild themselves over time. For years, aesthetics has been all about relaxing the muscles and replacing volume, which is great. But today, many providers are focusing on something equally important. It's improving the quality of the skin itself. That's what makes biostimulating so exciting. And one of my favorite examples of this is what we're going to talk about today. It's Radiesse Hyperdilute. And one of the things I love about the Hyperdilute Radiesse is that experienced licensed injectors can use it in many of the places where our skin naturally becomes thinner or crepier over time, such as our neck, our chest, our hands, our face, even above the knees or other parts like our arms. And any place that we feel like our skin is losing that youthful support. So your injector prepares the product by diluting it in a very specific prescribed way so it can be placed in a broad, even layer beneath the skin. Think of it almost like a very thin supportive blanket under the skin. Now here's where it gets really exciting. The hyperdiluted radiesse is considered a biostimulator, which means it encourages your body to produce its own new collagen and elastin. So you're not just getting a temporary cosmetic improvement, you're actually helping support healthier, stronger skin from within. But even better, what I especially love is that it's actually a 2-for-1 treatment. And who doesn't like that? Unlike some of the other collagen stimulators, Radiesse also has the filler properties. So patients notice some immediate improvement while they get the longer term collagen building process continuing over the next weeks and months. That's one of the reasons providers often compare it to Sculptra because they're both biostimulators. You might have heard of Sculptra, but what makes Radiesse better, in my opinion, is that it also offers that little bit of immediate gratification that we all love. Now, here's something I think that's really important to understand. It's one of the biggest mistakes people make with collagen stimulating treatments of all kinds. And it isn't choosing the wrong biostimulating treatment. It's expecting just one treatment to undo years of collagen loss. Collagen doesn't work that way. I always like to think of it like we're going to the gym. You and I, we don't expect to go to one workout and completely transform our body, although we'd love it. But we know that if you consistently challenge your muscles over time, they become stronger, healthier, and more resilient. And collagen works in a very similar way. You're encouraging your body to keep producing healthier tissue. So many providers recommend a series of treatments before moving into a maintenance plan because collagen rebuilding happens gradually. Now, once you've rebuilt that collagen foundation, it often takes much longer for your body to lose it again than it did to build it in the first place. I'll give you my own personal example. Now, I've used Radiesse in many places, but I love to talk about my hands because my hands started out pretty deflated, and I did one syringe in each hand, 3 different treatments over about a year and a half. Now, that was several years ago, and honestly, I still love how my hands look today. That's one of the reasons I'm such a believer in collagen stimulation. Now, if you're starting to notice crepey skin, thinning skin, or skin that just doesn't seem to bounce back the way it used to, it might be worth having a conversation with a medical provider about whether a collagen stimulating treatment could be appropriate for your goals. One of the things I've learned after more than 2 decades in aesthetics is that the best treatments aren't always the flashiest ones. They're the ones that help you keep your skin looking healthier all the time. That's why I'm such a fan of these biostimulators like Radiesse Hyperdilute. They're about investing in healthier, stronger skin so you continue looking like the refreshed, beautiful, and confident you. If you like having a girlfriend in aesthetics who will tell you the truth, not just what's popular, I'd love to have you here. Subscribe if you want more honest conversations about what's worth it, what to skip, and how to navigate all of this without the overwhelm. I'll see you in the next video.